Peace be upon you. In this video, we will explain how to find a friend's Facebook account using their phone number. If you have someone's phone number and want to find their Facebook account, this video will explain the best and most reliable method, God willing. Before we begin, as usual, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's get started, with God's blessings. The first step, my friend, is to go to this application, the link to which you will find in the first comment. The application will show you all the contacts on your phone. If you click on any contact, it will give you their Facebook account. But if you don't have them saved in your contacts, just click here on Search for Numbers and Contacts and type the number whose Facebook account you want to find. For example, I will type this number. After typing the number, click on Search, and in a few seconds, it will find their Facebook accounts. As you can see, if you click here, their Facebook account will appear, and here, their Instagram account will appear. Continue following the same method, and God willing,